This test is used to determine the amount of bitumen that is actually used as binding agent in asphaltic pavement. The durability, compatibility, and resistance from defects like rutting, bleeding, traveling, and aging of flexible asphaltic roads is highly dependent on the amount of the bitumen used for the coating of the filler aggregates. So this test is parallel to that of the cylindrical compression test of the actual concrete samples, obtained at site before placement of concrete to determine its actual compressive strength be as per the required mix design. The mix design of asphalt is carried out by series of hit and trial in job mix formula for determination of the optimum binder content. So at site, before final payment to the contractor, it must be ensured that the amount of bitumen required by the mix design is actually used at site or not. Now about the apparatus that would be required for the test is: Number 1. Oven. A well-maintained oven is needed, capable of maintaining the temperature at 110 degrees. Number 2. A flat pan for carrying the test specimens. Number 3. Balance or scales capable of weighing the sample to an accuracy of 0.05% of its mass. Number 4. Extraction apparatus, consisting of a bowl and an apparatus in which the bowl may be revolved at controlled variable speeds up to 3600 revolutions per minute. Number 5. Filter ring or filter paper to fit in the rim of the bowl. The background of this test is: that a solvent is used to immerse the sample, and then by centrifuging all the bitumen is extracted, removed, isolating the mineral aggregates. The weight of those aggregates is subtracted from the total weight of the sample, to get the weight of the bitumen in the sample expressed as percentage binder content. Now, let's have a look at the procedure to be followed for the test. The sample taken is weighed to the nearest of 0.05% of its mass and is recorded as W1. It is then placed in the bowl for the extraction machine. The sample is then immersed or covered with the solvent. That can be petrol of about 5 liters, or it is better to add commercial grade trichloroethylene or benzene and let the mixture stand for about an hour. The purpose of solvent is to disintegrate the test portion. The bowl is then covered with a steel cover and is clamped tightly before placing in the apparatus. A beaker or a clean container is placed underneath the drain outlet of the centrifuge apparatus for collection of the extract mixture of solvent and bitumen. The next step is to centrifuge the apparatus. The bowl is placed in the apparatus and the machine is started to revolve. The speed is gradually increased till a maximum speed of 3600 revolutions per minute is attained. The machine is allowed to revolve till solvent ceases to flow from the drain outlet. Allow the machine to stop and additional solvent is added in quantity of 200 ml or more depending on the amount of the sample. The fine fragments of mineral aggregates that are attached with the filter are carefully scratched, and then the weight of the filter and aggregate are noted. Now about the calculation for the bitumen extraction test. Bitumen content in grams can be expressed as: bitumen content equals W1 minus W2 plus W3 whole divided by W1, where W1 is the weight of the sample test portion in grams, W2 is the weight of the extracted mineral aggregates in grams, and W3 equals weight of fine aggregate fragment in grams. So that's it about our today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you.